Find or read reviews that people are talking about Krieges Fahren 2023 upgraded 9012 LED headlight bulb. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose Krieges Fahren 2023 upgraded 9012 LED headlight bulb. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 22,000 lumens and 600% super brighter. These newest 9012 LED headlight bulb high and low beam employs top automotive grade LED 12 chips. 22,000 lumen per set and 6500 K cool white, which offers 6 times brighter than your stock halogen bulbs. You will own a safer night driving experience with the Krieges LED bulbs. Truly plug and play design. Fahren 9012 headlight bulb is featured with truly plug and play design. Different from other LED headlights, they are built-in upgraded driver, no ballast and extra cables. They are almost the same design as original halogen bulbs. You can complete the installation within 5 minutes. Anyone doesn't need to worry about the installation. Just remove your dim halogens and insert our LED bulb to complete the replacement without any modification. Safer and ideal beam pattern. These 9012/HIR2 LED headlights are same beam designed as halogen bulbs. Ultra-thin baseboard to ensure 360 degrees lighting without black spots. Closer light emitting area of the halogens also offer super focused and safe beam pattern. No glare to oncoming vehicles and drivers. No blind to others. New upgraded 9012 LED bulb are equipped with powerful 12,000 PRM silent fans, hollow heat sink and whole aviation body, which offer an efficient cooling system. It can huge improve bulbs' heat dissipation and make their lifespan up to 60,000 hours. Say goodbye to the trouble of frequent bulb replacement. 99% vehicle compatibility. The LED headlight bulbs are built-in upgraded driver which fit for almost 99% of vehicles without error or flickering. Seeing farther and seeing brighter. A safer driving experience will be offered by them. Note: for some sensitive vehicles, the decoder may be needed. If you meet any issue about the bulbs, please let us know, and we will help you solve it. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.